prioritization. Let's say there are list of features. Let me say feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4, feature 5, feature 6. Okay, there are 6 features. Now we are going to calculate what is the value these features are going to bring into the project. When I say value, it is not the cost you're going to incur to build the features, but it is the value it is going to bring into the product. Okay, so feature 1, let's say it is going to bring in $100. This is going to bring in $300. This is going to bring in a value of $50 based on the worth of the feature. Okay. And this is 900. Okay. So this is the value these features are going to bring in. Now, how are we going to prioritize? The most valuable feature is feature 4. Then we bring feature 5, feature 2,
6.
right? So this is how we are going to prioritize. Let us take other scenarios as well. Let me take this again. Okay, see, we saw the most valuable feature is feature 4 because of the value it is going to generate. Now, what if feature 4 will work only in the presence of feature 3? Okay, then which feature you're going to prioritize first? Feature 3, right? Though it is going to bring in the least value, still the topmost valuable feature will work only in the presence of feature 3. So we are going to build feature 3 first, feature 4, and the rest of the features. Got it? I hope this was clear. You will consider this. See, these are different ways in which you can prioritize the features based on the value. The other method is, let's take these features are going to create value multiple times. Let's say the first feature is going to generate a value 20 times. Maybe every month this feature is going to generate a value, just as an example. Feature 2 is going to build a value, will going to repeat the value 4 times. This is going to repeat the value, let's say 50 times. This is going to generate a value once, this is going to generate twice, and this is going to generate thrice. Okay. Now, let's do the math as well to have a better understanding. This is what, 2000, and then so this is the overall value the features are going to generate. So now which one we are going to prioritize? Feature 3, feature 1, feature 2. Correct? Got. So if you see the game is completely different when we are going to see the repeatability of the value it is going to generate. Let us take another example or another scenario. So this is a value it is going to generate. Let's see the cost it incurs as well. Let's say this it is going to incur 50. You're going to spend $50 on building feature 1. This is, let's say, $25. This is 10. This is 870, just as an example. Okay. And then this is 50. This one, let's take 100. Then what is the net value? 50 275, 40, 30, 500, 150. So this is the net value it is going to generate. Then what is the feature which we are going to prioritize? Feature 5, feature 2, feature 6, one. Got it? So this is how we are going to prioritize. So one is we just take the plain value it is going to generate, and we are going to see the dependency. We can see the repeatability of the feature it is generating, and then the net value, how much we are going to spend, and the net we are going to consider. So this is risk-based prioritization. And then let us see risk-based prioritization. See, not necessary every time every feature is going to generate value. There may be few features which may not generate value, but it is going to avoid a negative impact. Yeah. So risk-based prioritization, as I said, not every feature is going to generate a value. For example, you are building some net banking system or some IT product, for example. Okay. Now, there may be a feature which is like an automated data backup or an antivirus, running antivirus. These features are not going to generate value by itself. But just imagine if this feature is not there, some antivirus, the virus may be like corrupting your entire system. So if this feature itself is not going to generate value, but the absence of these features are going to create some negative impact to the project. So we are going to assess the negative impact it is going to create, and that is what we are going to allocate as the value for this feature. So let's take these features, and let's take feature 7 is going to, if this feature 7 is not built, it is going to create a negative impact of, let's say, $700. There is another feature, feature 8, for example. If this is not built, like your data backup, it is going to create a negative impact of $400. Now, how are we going to prioritize the feature? Feature 4 would be the first priority, and then feature 7.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are not going to see negative or positive, but only the value we are going to consider. Feature
Yes,
5,
fine.
and then feature 8,
8,
feature 2,
2.
feature 6, feature 1, and then feature 3. Got it? This is
Yes.
called as risk-based prioritization. So value-based prioritization and risk-based prioritization. Again, this is another important topic to be understood.